Good morning, students, and welcome again to e-learning classes on behalf of Modern English School. I myself Anjana Dikshit from New Area Senior B. Children, this video is for class 7, and today we shall complete email 7 and 8. So the seventh question is, you are Radhika Sharma. You are eager to express your opinion on the menace of smoking. Write your idea and send them to the editor of the local daily through email. So you have to write email to the newspaper, local daily, okay, to the editor of the newspaper. So name is mentioned, so first you write from Radhika Sharma 47 or whatever address you want to write, because address is not mentioned here, @gmail.com. Then to whom you have to write? Editor. To the editor @toy.com. Then what you have to write? Subject. So what is the subject? Menace of smoking and its ill effects, because smoking is very harmful, so you will write menace of smoking and its ill effect. Dear sir, Arubs the recent news items that stated the drastic increase in the number of youngsters taking to smoking. I am shocked and upset to see the state of the youth of our nation. Despite repeated public warning against smoking, a lot of people are restoring to smoking. I know many women who are victims of passive smoking due to the bad habit of men smoking in the family. Those who smoke must realize that their action is not only decaying the inside of their bodies, it is also contaminating the air around them, making it unfit to breathe for anyone else. This is a self-destructive and a self-habit. Undeniably, many youngsters are taking to smoking as a show-off tactic and also as a way to relieve stress. However, statistics proves that after a few months, a cigarette does nothing for your stress level, but merely becomes an addiction. It kills our appetite and continually drains the water reserve from our body. It starts to accumulate as the protein toxin and leads to stomach and digestive problem, leave alone skin ailment. It is high time that schools start to talk about ill effects of smoking in order to sensitize young minds to move towards more constructive and value creating habits. I hope you will publish my response in public interest. Thanking you sincerely, Radhika Sharma, President, Sushant Lok, RWA. Understood, children? Now, question 8. Write an email to your father explaining that you are unable to visit home this vacation, as you will be with your roommate who has met with an accident. As he is unable to move around due to plaster on his leg, you will be attending to him. Now, to whom you have to write letter? To father. That means informal letter. So the name is not written here. name is not mentioned in the question, so you can write your name. From, you can write your name at the rate of gmail.com, readyme.com, anything you can write. To, again the name is not mentioned, so you can write your father's name at the rate of readymail.com. Subject, arriving a week late for vacation is this summer. Dear Dad, I'm sorry to write you like this. My roommate Raghav needs my help this time. He has been of great help all these months while I was settling into a new hostel environment. He has been considerate and made up for all my submissive on many occasions. Raghav recently had a terrible fall while taking a golf for the school team. He has fractured his leg and cannot move out of bed. His parents are not in position to come and take him home as they are traveling to the States for their grandmother's operation. Therefore, I cannot possibly leave him behind. I will be here with him for a week, after which he has promised to drop me on his way to the airport. I hope you will be supportive on this. I may not be able to attend the birthday bash for Grandma. She will be upset, but if you complain the situation to her, she will be proud of me. Please don't worry, because the canteen would be running and the warden has special permission from the principal to take care of us for the week. I'll see you soon. Love and regards. Then you write your name. Okay, that's all. Thank you. You will write in your practice book. Stay home. Stay safe.